today I'm gonna get started on a project that I am really excited about. I recently powder coated my rims on my four-wheeler. I think they turned out pretty good. In that time, it was sitting in my shop for like, I don't know, like 9 months, way too long. Since I got it put back together, I've been riding a lot more. And so this project that I'm gonna be doing directly relates to the ATV. So I'm gonna ride over there. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be working on. This is it right here. It's an old generator trailer. So my goal is to turn this into an off-road ATV camping trailer. Nothing to sleep in, but just to haul stuff, have a built-in kitchen, everything like that. First thing I'm gonna do is hook it up to the four-wheeler and take it into the shop. Gotta see if I can put air in that tire. Oh! Shoot! Alright. Oh! So much easier. Alrighty. So first thing I'm gonna do is jack it up. Well, probably take these panels out. Take the panels out, then jack it up. And see if I can't just flip. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna flip the leaf springs on top of the axle to give it some more clearance. I may end up having to go to like coilovers or something, but I hope not. We'll get some a little bit beefier tires and be good to go. Right, Austin?
Yes, sir.
Man, this tongue is way more intense than what we need too. What I haven't decided yet, I would love your guys' input, is what color to paint this, because I'm certainly not leaving it yellow. I was thinking just going black. I don't know, I'm open to whatever though. Man, it's already got big oversized fenders too. It's so cool. Mount like a gas can here and on the other side. This is gonna be amazing, you guys. So this is what the inside looks like. Definitely gonna have to put something down there to seal it all in. I don't know, maybe just some diamond plating or something. Just use some sheet metal screws. Should be pretty simple. Some form of these I might keep just for jacking it up when we're parked, but grease too. Tires up off the ground if I can. Basically what I'm gonna do is take these U-bolts off of both sides, take the axle and put it under the leaf springs, and that's gonna give me, man, like at least 2 inches, 2.5 inches of lift, which will give me a lot more clearance, which will be great. Oh, it's so freaking rusty. So we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side over here. Jeez, those are some rusty bolts. Look at all that rust down there. Dude. All right. Now I'll go clean these guys off. I had an idea for the paint, you guys. What if I did truck bed liner? Is that too like cliche, everybody does it? Or would it be cool? What do you think, Isabel? Would it be cool?
What's that?
She doesn't even know what I'm talking about. All right, we got 1 down, 3 to go. I was gonna take all the rust off, but I'm just not gonna put that kind of time into it right now. Wanna see how it does off-road, pulling it behind the four-wheeler before I put too much time into this project. Man, it just springs back. Bolts are huge. Aha, there we go. All right, now we do it with the other one. So, funny story about that bench vise. My buddy Eric gave it to me. Same guy that gave me the trailer, so pretty good guy. Thanks, Eric. There we go. Got our 2 or 3 inch lift going on. We'll put these tires back on and see what it is. I need to lift it up more. Ha, because it's gonna be that much of a lift, huh? Sweet. Can't remember if I told you guys yet. So basically the plan is I'm gonna, now that the axle's flipped over, I'm gonna shorten the tongue at least a little bit, kind of a minimal amount to start off with, and then take it out for a test drive. So we will see how everything does on the test drive, and then we'll really get into it. We'll start cleaning and painting and getting better tires. All right, gonna go to the other side. You guys don't need to see that because it's the exact same thing. Gonna lower it back down, see how it sits. That is definitely more clearance. I should have measured, but that is way higher. Put the 2 videos side by side and we'll see how they compare, if it's a similar angle, but I say that's successful. Next, I'm gonna work on the tongue here. So I definitely don't want it to drop down like that. So we're gonna take this off, then remove, basically, I'll probably cut the tongue somewhere around here, and then just remount this to that. And I think it should be golden. So basically, this guy's gonna go on. Man, something like that. Here's my hammer. Headphones warning? Is it too late for that? All right, drilling through this is gonna be a nightmare, but I'm gonna center punch it to give myself a starting point. Automatic punches are awesome, by the way. And then I'm gonna start just doing a smaller hole. All right, stepping up again. I'm hoping this is the final one. I'm a little worried about how close I made that to the front. Putting some oil on the bit to hopefully keep it from dulling. See how this goes. Excellent. I just gotta tighten that down. I'm gonna put the panels back on there and then take it out for a little test drive, I guess. That tire seems to be holding air really well, which is kind of surprising. So, well, let's give it a try. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna make this side fold out, and that's gonna be the camp kitchen side. But I'll keep this one like it was originally. You can see the gap here where the panel's supposed to sit. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just mount the panel on this side. So. All right. Let's go get the four-wheeler.
When we first started out, without flaws to care about, we were both young and sure. No, we're not, no, we're not. What did I say you should worry about? You should worry about all of me. What did I say you should care about? You should care about what you say. What did I say you should worry about?
So I think that was pretty dang successful. The real test is gonna be taking it out to the mountains and seeing how well my four-wheeler can pull all that weight up a hill. So next episode, that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be going out into the mountains and pulling it around and just seeing what we can do. If you guys are excited about this project, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.